Hang on, let me talk about this tractor real quick. Well, this is a straight up left for dead John Deere 310E backhoe. Turned out Extenda. Done a little bit of walking around on this thing. It's got some hours just by looking at it from 40 feet. You can tell that. Leaks all over the place. The previous owner of this property just, well, tried to get rid of it, didn't get rid of it, moved away. Still here. Don't know what the story's going to be of it, but we're going to need to do some excavation work right where it's at. So it needs to get fired up at some point or another, but I want to walk around it, show it to you guys a little bit. I did get to speak with the previous owner just a little bit about it, and he said it had 5,000 hours on it, so we'll see what that really is once we get up on the rig. Man, backhoes, they probably built this country, but this one, it needs retired. But we'll find out if it runs. Yeah, we pretty much got the fleet here. Only thing missing is probably the Mechalek or maybe another wheel tractor, but I heard about this thing being on the property before everything, became official and then moved in. And I honestly thought it would have been gone a long time ago. Looks like the previous owner aired up the tire a little bit. She was down, flattered in a pancake. I mean, if there was oil in something, it is out of it now. Yeah. Battery from 72. That's good. I believe this machine's 2000, somewhere in that nature. 4-in-1 bucket. I like it. Those are a must. It really sucks if you don't have a 4-in-1 option. I'll just give it a little. Oh yeah. That kind of felt like that was coming. When you move it by hand, that's usually a sign she's been put through the paces. Honestly, it doesn't look like it's been trailered that much. Or they didn't like that position, Normally when I throw a chain through it, it just brings it out. More leak down there. Oh. Oil cooled. Is that the starter? It is. All right. How many cylinders are we pumping? And 4. Nice. Nice and simple. Radiator hose. Looks a little thick. Swollen. We haven't even got to it yet back here. Oh, there's a dog walking there. I thought there was something on the other side. The stoppers. Normally, that's a right angle. But this one's just blown out. That's where it hits right there. Really like the dust shield, being down here rather than up in there. That's always a bonus. Although this is still intact. Those are normally busted off. That's the latch to hold the boom up. Obviously it ain't hooked. Secondary hydraulics. Running a hammer or something out here. It's got the Rental Man's universal quick coupler back here. That's going to be tight. Yeah. Oh, this tire's a little down. Let's crawl up in here and see how the cockpit looks. Seat's blown out. 5-gallon bucket hydraulic oil. That went through the machine, is now on the ground. She's tight. Oh, shifter. Nice, nice. Here's our hours. 5,653. Nice. Fuel economy. All the way. Hit to the floor. Wonder why they didn't crank it up and move it out of here. It's been parked here for a while. Wonder, check a transmission somewhere. What's this? Gosh, there's so much oil everywhere. Oh, here we go. That's a good sign. Oh, crap. Well, shit. That ain't gonna be what we're looking for. Sight glass is broken, Haas. Hydraulic tank sight glass is broken. Just a hose, cracked. Oh, here we go. Transmission. Easy grip. Come on. Well, it's got some of that juice in there. That's neat. Weather tight that back up. The panels for her laying way over there on the other side of the shop. Oh. Yep. She's black, just like the outside of the engine block. What really sells it is the old man that owned this. He's a little cowboy. He's a pretty cool guy. 80 years old. And judging by the current state of just oil everywhere and sticks and debris, didn't stop him from chain smoking on the old unit. Lucky it's still here. We're gonna find out if the backhoe is gonna start with the big jump pack, but we'll just test the key, see if it has any juice in this battery before we put the pack on it. It's beeping at me a lot. Oh, the battery's cable's smoking. Those are low on fuel. So let's beat on that battery cable for a second and then hook the jump back to it. Oh yeah. Look at this, dude. Old timers. I wonder where the hell it's beeping at us. It's got brakes. Wish it would stop beeping at me. Alright.
Battery's smoking a little bit.
Oh, we got diesel. It's starting to try. Oh, we'll take that battery terminal off. It's been doing what it's smoking right now for a while now. But there looks like there's plenty there. I don't know why. Whatever. You know what I mean? We'll get it fixed up. We need a wire brush though. Likelihood of that? Slim.
You smell something.
We saw smoke earlier coming out, but
I think we're supposed to see some smoke.
yeah. Shows that we got like an eighth of a tank of fuel. I can smell it now. Well, let's investigate. That thing's not smoking no more, so that's good. Oh, what's this? Well, I didn't breathe on the key that time and it started.
brakes work?
Huh?
Brakes?
I got that working wrong.
The tire's flat. That's good right there. Put down that outrigger.
He's coming around.
Okay, we did add a little bit of hydraulic oil to it to get it to lift up its hydraulic functions so that we can move it. The hydraulic, or the transmission, seems to work no problem. Engine seems honestly strong, but this thing is just so ragged out. Look at the edges of the 4-in-1. You can close all the way because she's been dragged out. That ain't a simple fix with a hammer. Tires, this one's got a big old chunk. This one's flat. The old man aired up the other one, but aside from leaking everywhere, this cylinder ram back here is shot. These things don't have a lip on them anymore. They just undo. Not even stand a chance. Yeah, that wasn't me putting the boom back down. That was a boom letting go because it's a cam over cylinder system. So any slop will act weird. Yeah. Oh, is this, what is this? This water? It's water. Yeah. How do you do this? Shot. This tire's only aired up. Look at that big old slice. Terrible. I'm gonna go ahead and put that outrigger down. Just so that tire doesn't pop off the bead. Hydraulic oil. Pretty bad. Okay, we got it running. The old man said it would run. The tires probably, well, backhoes are sketchy on their own. Front one seems to be holding good, but I fired up and got out of the way. Optimistically in the beginning we thought this was a usable farm tractor again, but it could be. If somebody spent enough to buy a whole nother tractor that was in good condition to fix this one would be good again. But this is going to be yard art, or maybe the old man, he comes back and gets this thing instead of just leaving it here. So we don't know. As of right now, technically, it belongs to the new owner, but if they're nice enough, they might keep it. Or give it back, it don't matter. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.